Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to change paperless email address on Cure Auto Insurance. We will also put links in the description below for various low-cost auto insurance options. To start, open the website cure.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for your account. Under it is an option that says Change Settings. Click on Change Settings. Here you will see a section for email address. Beside it is an option that says Change Paperless Email Address. Click on Change Paperless Email Address. On the first field, enter the new email address you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. Once entered, click on the option that says Change. That's how you change your paperless email address on Cure Auto Insurance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.